case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 2011 landmark Supreme Court case, Milner v. Department of the Navy, brought public access to official information in the United States to the national spotlight. This case, at its heart, delved into the interpretation of Exemption 2 under the Freedom of Information Act, FOIA, an act promulgated by Congress to encourage transparency within the government. The controversy began when a FOIA request for data and maps relating to the storage of explosives at a naval base in Washington state was ignominiously rejected. The Navy's refusal to release the documents was based on their interpretation of Exemption 2. This exemption, in their interpretation, could withhold documents related not only to internal personnel rules and practices of an agency, but also to a broader class of materials. However, the Supreme Court rejected this broad interpretation. In the majority opinion penned by Justice Kagan, the court juxtaposed the purpose of FOIA, promoting access to official information, with the Navy's misuse of Exemption 2. Kagan pointed out the 9 specific exemptions relayed in FOIA, noting that they are intended to be read narrowly. The court applied a stringent interpretation of Exemption 2, upholding the low 2 standard, and ruled that it did not cover the release of the requested explosive maps and data. The Supreme Court's decision transformed the understanding of Exemption 2. It highlighted how important it is to limit the scope of such exemptions to prevent agencies from skirting the principles of FOIA. Additionally, the court did mention that protecting sensitive information could be achieved using other applicable exemptions, shedding light on the potential avenues available for government agencies while respecting the spirit of the FOIA. Following this decision, the case was remanded back to the lower court for further proceedings, ensuring future deliberations will be guided by this narrower interpretation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.